Google Search. It's the world's most powerful tool for finding information. But lately you might have noticed, it's gotten a little weird. Between algorithm changes and AI summaries, it can be harder than ever to find the sources you trust. Publishers are losing traffic, users are getting confused, and sometimes, AI results even make mistakes. But now, Google has introduced a fix, something called preferred sources. Today, we'll break down what it is, how it works, and why it could change the way you search forever. Earlier this year, Google rolled out yet another major algorithm update. These happen hundreds of times a year, but this one hit differently. Many websites, big and small, saw dramatic drops in traffic. Even trustworthy content that ranked well for years suddenly disappeared or slipped down the results page. Journalists and editors call this shift Google Zero. Why? Because Google's AI-generated summaries often answer your question without you ever clicking on the original article. That means less traffic for publishers and fewer chances for you to see the full story, the context, or even to fact-check the information you're getting. In some cases, those summaries even contained errors or information from questionable sources. For many, it feels like search is less about discovery and more about shortcuts. But here's the good news. Google recently rolled out Preferred Sources, a new feature designed to give you back some control. Think of it as a way to tell Google, hey, I want to see more results from outlets I trust. When you set a website as a preferred source, its stories will get priority placement in Google's top stories carousel. You'll also see a dedicated section called From Your Sources when you search. That means more visibility for the sites you actually read, and less noise from sources you don't care about. And yes, this works for any trusted publisher, from Wired and The Verge to your favorite local newspaper. So how do you set it up? It's simple. Step 1. Head to Google's Preferred Sources settings page. You'll see a list of news outlets. Search for your favorite ones, like Wired, BBC, or NPR, and check the box. Step 2. You can also set it directly inside Google Search. The next time you see a top stories section, click the little starred folder icon. Add your preferred sources right there. Step 3. Refresh your results. You'll start seeing those sources prioritized right away. This doesn't block other sites from appearing, it just boosts the ones you trust most. Why does this matter? Because the way we consume news and information is changing fast. AI summaries are convenient, but they're not always reliable. By using preferred sources, you're not just shaping your search results, you're supporting quality journalism. You're making sure reporters and creators still get the clicks they need to survive, and that you get the context and depth you deserve. The truth is, the internet is in constant transformation. Search is evolving, AI is evolving, and how we get our information will keep changing. Preferred sources might not solve every problem, but for now, it gives you a way to cut through the noise and reclaim your search results. So if you're tired of wading through irrelevant or unreliable results, give preferred sources a try. After all, the internet should work for you, not the other way around. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments, which sources are you setting as your preferred ones?